Hi, this is an episode of Handy Night. Today is something rather simple. It is the jets for my hot tub. So this hot tub, now I got this hot tub for free on Facebook, and it needed some repair. So originally I rebuilt the main pump on it twice, in fact, because the first time it didn't come out right. I don't really know what happened, but kit was $12. Needed a bunch of seals for some of the jets, and then it has these little twirly guys. And you can see it's like it's got two ports there, and those ports are at an angle, and it's supposed to spin, and it gives you an oscillating jet that is massages, right? And this tub has an entire bench of them, and then a few other sporadic places, totaling 16 of these jets. Now, not one of them spins, and I don't like that. I'm spending more time in the hot tub, and it needs to work properly. So I go down to the parts store today, and I talk to them about getting new ones, and they're like, yeah, those normally go bad, and they're not really good from the start. And I went, well, that doesn't help me. So I looked at theirs real quick, and I noticed, and it was an assessment I'd already made and I was working on, is there's a little post here that this spinner goes on. And that post has the entire friction of the whole head of the spinner. So in the newer design, it had molded into the center spinner, basically a washer. So I would be including a couple of stainless steel washers. But that wasn't quite enough. I went ahead and tested that, and that didn't work. So where is it? So what I very quickly, within two of these jet assemblies, I was able to modify them, and I drill those two side holes there at an angle so they come out there. And see what happens is the two jets are on here, and they go to this position, and basically they're just spraying against that bar and they get stuck. These little jets are just helper jets, and they get it to spin even if it wants to get stuck. So the most interesting part is how I have to do these. So let me see if I can set this up. Okay. So I hold the jet in my hand, and there's already two mold marks exactly where I need the drill. So first, I drill directly into it. And once I get, 16th of an inch in, I now have to create my angle. And in this case, my angle has to be in line with this edge right here. And I'm trying to get to the outside, don't want to get to the outside, not near the inside. So I've got to come down and angle. I'm going to check my alignment of the edge of the drill bit with the edge of the other port, and then I'm going in towards the point of this jet assembly so that it goes to the outside. Okay, that's good. And now I'm going to reposition so I don't drill through my finger. Right there. And that one came out perfect. That's exactly where I want it to be. So I'm going to go ahead and drill the other side. Of course, the big challenge with this is the whole time I'm using my hand as a vise, but it's the most accurate way that I can do this and not damage these, because they're just a plastic. So if I put them into my metal vise, I'm going to chew them up, which damages their hydro coefficient, and It's just really the only way. So when I'm done, it now looks like that. The 2 holes there, which when I add 2 little stainless washers on the inside here, stack it in here, it'll now spin freely and not get locked up, because those additional ports will help spin it. So, random tip: how to repair your rotating spa jets or oscillating spa jets, improve the design, and you know, make sure they can function properly, because I was rather disappointed to hear even if I bought new ones, they weren't going to work very well. So, again, this is Nordic Geek. Take care.